This question is a continuation of kind of the previous one that's in the playlist linked below the like button. But the one we're currently looking at says, if the battery has 1,000 joules stored in it, how long will the light be illuminated, assuming the voltage is constant? Well, this means we are dealing with 1,000 joules, right? Well, that's what it's telling us. And it's asking us how long the light's going to be illuminated. So what we want to solve for is time. And we're assuming our voltage is constant. So if we're dealing with time and we're given 1,000 joules, joules is energy. So we're dealing with energy here. And the general equation for energy is that we have our energy, and we'll write this as E. The unit is joules, and it's set equal to the power times time. And if we want to find time, let's rewrite this as the energy divided by power, and this is equal to our time. Well, our energy is 1,000 joules. That's set, right? So we have 1,000 joules right here. Our power, well, let's solve for it. We can find power in multiple different ways. We looked about this previously. Power is equal to voltage times current, voltage squared over resistance, and the current squared times resistance. Those are just different ways to write it. The easiest way to write it for this, since we're given all of the information, is just voltage times current. So we can see that we're using the same numbers as we had previously. So our power is 0.81 watts. So if we come down here, we are going to have 0.81 watts, and this is equal to our time. Now, if we divide these out, we are going to get a pretty big number. We have 1,000 divided by 0.81, and dividing this out, it's going to give us a time. I don't know exactly the unit-to-unit conversion or calculation that we have here, but it's going to give us a amount of seconds, because time is always measured in seconds. So our time, we'll say t, is equal to 1,234. We'll say approximately 1,234, and this is measured in seconds. Now we want to convert this into minutes. So we have 1 minute, and in 1 minute we have 60 seconds, right? So we divide this by 60. So we're going to take our previously gotten number, we're going to divide it by 60, and that's going to give us about 20 minutes. So that's how long the light is illuminated, assuming our voltage is constant, and assuming we have 1,000 joules of energy. That's how we would calculate for our light bulb and for our battery. We can see that they're connected together in series.